Hello guys, today is Friday and I am going to go to 2 events today. I already finished my makeup, my outfit, which I'm going to show you in a second, and now I am going to eat lunch, and then I'm gonna be with my friend Carla. She's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go to one of those events, so you're gonna be coming with me. I'm so excited for today. Let's see what goes on. Hello guys, I'm here with Carla Patricia from Carla Patricia Makeup. We're gonna go to an event right now. We're here in the parking lot. We're gonna go enter the mall and we're going to the Sola Boutique opening of the store in the mall. So yeah,
we're gonna be showing you our outfits and a little bit of everything that we're gonna do today.
Okay, well, let's go guys. To another vlog. It is currently 6:43 p.m. September 29, Saturday, and my best friend is coming to visit me to my apartment. I haven't seen her in a couple of months, to be honest, and like, it was so random. She was just texting me and she said like, can I go over to your place, like a 2-hour drive, but I'll do it. And I was like, I need to study, but whatever, I haven't seen you in a really long time, so let's just chill and let's go out to eat. So that's what we are going to do. So we are going to go eat now. I literally just took a shower and I didn't really do my makeup. I just did my eyebrows and with powder. Like, I didn't even use the brow pomade that I always use. Yeah, like just a chill fun night, catching up, talking about our life problems and bonding. In case you were wondering, this is the outfit that I am going to wear. I just got this little dress at Burlington's and I paired it with this belt, so it looks really, really cute. I took some Insta pictures a couple of months ago wearing this, and I paired them with my classic white boots. Hey guys, guys. So it's currently Monday, October 1st. Yay, October just started. Look at the October vibes here in my house. This little pumpkin is so cute. I just wanted to say that I'm sorry that I didn't really film a lot in the past clips. I was just talking to my best friend, catching up, talking about life problems, life situations, so I really couldn't film that because that was like a little bit personal. I just got out of the shower, washed my hair, prepped it, did my eyebrows, no makeup on, and today I'm just gonna study.